Key performance area number 5 in our channel sales methodology, partner planning. Seems like a simple term, seems easy enough, but most people don't do it. Let's talk about partner business planning very briefly. 3 key points. Number 1, keep the plan focused. When we say keep the plan focused, many times we see vendors with 10-page partner business planning templates. It's not required. Partners just want to know a couple things. Number 1, what do you want me to do? Number 2, why do you want me to do it? Number 3, how will I make money if I do what you want me to do? And question number 4, what are you going to do to help me achieve the goal? And that's what we mean by focus. We should have very specific market segments identified down to the account level. Okay? Next, allocate resources. No partner wants a vendor to come into their office and ask them to grow 30%, and the partner has to make all the investment and the vendor doesn't contribute anything. If you're going to ask a partner to increase their revenue, you better come to the party with some resources to help them get there. And then finally, the thing that makes partner business planning the most challenging is the regular reviews. Quarterly reviews every 90 days of the plan is a critical success factor and a cadence that you need to get into. Many channel sales professionals have a lot of partners that they manage, so partner business planning can become a very difficult thing to achieve. Here's how you can make it easier. Break your partners into 4 categories. The 4 categories we use, number 1, that's your top partners. And these top partners are the 20% of the partners that are doing 80% of your business. Secondly, the believers. These are the partners. The believers partners are the ones that want to grow their business with you, but they can't execute. These are the partners that actually need your help. Many times channel sales professionals spend all their time with the top partners because it's easy, because there's always good news. They're always giving you orders. But actually, your time should be spent with the believers who need help executing. Number 3, we call them the opportunistic. These are the partners that come to you 2 times a year and they say, hey, do you have any leads? Got any leads for me, Greg? Any big deals? Or, hey, I'm hearing something, maybe I'll have a deal. I've got an in for you somewhere. If you're hearing those 2 types of things, those are to opportunistic partners. And then finally, the last category is what I call the terminator partners. The terminator partners are the ones that you need to professionally terminate the agreement. These are the partners that haven't given you an order for 18 months, professionally cut the agreement so you can allocate your precious time and resources to the partners that actually need it. The final point that I want to make about your partner business plan that's very important, which I mentioned as it relates to partner profitability, is changing the conversation. So for you, your goal is revenue or sales. For partners, they don't care about your revenue target. You have to take your revenue target, which may be, for example, $1 million this year, and you have to translate that into another term called gross profit, because this is the language of the partner. And if you're giving your partners a 15% margin on a $1 million, then you need to tell them that there's $150,000 in GP, and this is the plan. Change the conversation. Don't talk to your partners about revenue. They don't care about your revenue. What they want to know is, if they sell your product, how much GP are they going to make? And finally, as it relates to planning, many times I hear channel sales professionals say, it's paperwork. I don't want to do partner business planning. I've got a good relationship. We know what we're going to do. Let me tell you this. No plan, no growth. Partner business plans are maps that'll take you from where you are today to where you need to be in the future, which is higher sales.